guys, wow. That was a little too excited. I'm not that excited. Guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Maria, or it's MJ here on YouTube. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title, I'll be doing the 5-minute makeup challenge, and I'll be doing it with my cousin. Hey!
So my name is Ashley, and I'm a student at FAU.
So I thought it would be really fun to do the 5-minute makeup challenge, and to make it more challenging for ourselves, I decided to do it like Valentine's inspired, because I feel like that would be more of a challenge and whatnot, and hopefully we succeed. And if you're interested in seeing that, then please keep on watching.
Watch our mess ups.
Right, so I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this is the second time filming it.
Because the first time was such a fail.
Okay, we're not sore losers, but like it was the okay, a pro of it, I thought it was like having that big glass was gonna be really good for us, but I forgot that we're like low-key blind, so
yeah, so we couldn't see
ourselves, because it was like, it was right there, but we're so blind
like,
that
we can't see like right here.
We need something like,
we needed like right
close.
here, like in our face.
So we ended up just kind of moving outside. It was just really bad, and then like just for the like video quality wise too, we kept like kind of
like playing like Duck Duck Goose.
Yeah, we were legit playing Duck Duck Goose, because we had all our products like not set up nicely like on a table. So hopefully you guys don't hear any of those weird animal noises. If not, then there's like a farm next to us. So
okay, I am going to press start. Wait, okay. I at least want to open it.
Okay, ready?
5 4 3 2 1 go. Oh my goodness.
So I'm starting off with my red lip.
I'm starting off with a purple eyeshadow for Valentine's theme purposes. Oh my god. The clock is going and I am super scared.
Maybe red lips wasn't the best thing to do because it's not aligned properly. But we'll move past that. Now I'm going in with my foundation. It's the Fit Me by Maybelline, and I'm just blending this in. This is not like one of my like ultimate favorite, whatever. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the Fit Me concealer by Maybelline as well. Right here. What are you doing right now?
I am trying to find my beauty blender. I don't know what the hell.
Do you not know how to pronounce that word? Blender.
What happened to it? Like, it was just here like 2 seconds ago. Oh well. Like, I'm honestly like,
did you not bring it?
Yes, I did. I don't know what happened to it. Oh my god.
I swear I did not try to sabotage you. Like, I didn't.
Right? Like, where the hell is it?
Okay, so
whatever. Gotta use my fingers. Gotta be old school.
I'm gonna go in with some Hoola bronzer, and I'm just gonna put this here.
Oh my god, we have 3 minutes and 23 seconds. Oh.
This is really hard because I'm low-key a perfectionist when it comes to my skin. So, yeah, okay. Now I'm gonna go in with this really big brush to just bronze up the skin and just make it look like I'm alive.
I'm trying to make at least this foundation look even on my face. That's the least I could do.
Now I'm gonna go in with some, I can't open it.
We're doing,
oh my god, okay, by my favorite blush by Tarte. And I usually go ham on this.
Same, I'm doing my contour and I got it from TJ Maxx. Have no idea what brand.
They low-key have the fines. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with I don't know.
Right now I'm going to do my lips, even though I still didn't finish my eyeshadow, but I said, ooh, I have to do something.
Okay,
it is Lolita
Carly Bible shimmer on the eyelids.
Oh my god, we have 2 minutes.
Okay. I'm gonna go in. Okay, that's not good. That's not pretty. That's not pretty. Now I'm gonna go in with some mascara by I don't know who this is by, to be honest. For real.
Mine, I'm going my mascara too, and it's Last Sensational. Well, Sensational. Whatever.
I'm pretty sure it's by L'Oreal, because that's,
I don't know, it says Last
Sensational
that I buy on it, but
it doesn't matter. You guys don't need to copy this look. I'm sure you guys don't want to copy this look.
I'm pretty sure y'all don't.
Okay.
Oh my goodness, I got like mascara all on like the under eye.
Okay, so I'm kind of done with
Oh my god, I have a 33.
I'm gonna go in with some. Whoa! Okay. Blend is key. Blend.
Why are
is
you
key.
so overreacting?
Blend is key. You do not just see what I just put on my face.
No,
a
what'd you do?
blob of highlighter. A blob of highlighter, and I'm gonna kind of clean this up with my booty blender,
Your
as she
booty
calls it. And then I'm gonna go in, and we have a minute and 7 seconds left. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my Brow Wiz by Anastasia in the color medium brown, and I can't fix up my eyebrows because they're kind of like a mess already as it is.
And I'm trying to blend into this highlighter. Do you see this? Like,
I don't want to look at it right now.
oh my god, wait.
I'm being real with you.
Oh my god. You want to see this?
No, I don't. You're distracting me. This is
But it's
sabotage.
really bad. This is not sabotage. It's really bad. Okay, good thing I have a makeup wipe right here. Oh my goodness. That was terrible. We have 30 seconds. 30
No.
seconds.
Okay.
Go in with the pink.
I'm gonna try to clean up my brows somewhat.
I got this.
I'm gonna try to clean up my brows.
I'm just gonna blend this as much as possible. We have 6 seconds.
Okay. That's it.
I feel better.
That's it. Like, how do you stop this?
That's it. Okay.
How do you stop it?
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh!
Wow, you don't look so bad.
It's really pretty.
Yeah?
Oh my god, you did really good.
Okay.
Okay. The blending is like not up to par, but I'm very surprised. Your
My lips?
you lined it very like nice, like perfectly.
Thank you.
Your foundation looks amazing too.
Really? I did that all with my fingers. Like, look at my
Your foundation looks really good. Yeah.
I love your lips. Even though they're not as lined as you perfectly do, they're still like really red.
They're not like
because
aligned
when
at all.
I was lining my lips, like I had to like redo it again because it was like a missing part.
No, but yours look really good.
Yeah. Your
I like what
blush.
you were going for.
Thank you.
The blending on, especially on, let me see the other eye. Okay,
I didn't have time to
The
do it.
blending on this eye, it's not so good. The shimmer, it looks like you kind of just popped it on. But
Yeah.
from afar, like low key, in the like, this is gonna sound really mean, but like in the dark. No, but I swear, but it doesn't look bad. It doesn't look bad.
It doesn't look bad.
It doesn't look bad.
Okay.
Okay.
Can I talk about you now? Okay, so I know that you usually go for the most basic look.
She
So
called me
fast.
basic.
I mean,
Know how I feel. Why would you say that? Like, you put me in such an uncomfortable situation.
so you're blending on your skin, which is what you always aim for. It looks still pretty good for the 5 minutes that you did.
Okay,
And then because you were going super fast with your lips, you got a little bit of lipstick right there. But
Like here.
okay, but just to talk about our struggles, that I see you had got a little bit of mascara under there too, but you didn't look at me. But
lot.
I got a blotch. Like
Is that what you were like being dramatic about?
Yeah, I was freaking out, and that's what is on my hand. Yeah.
Wait, let me show you guys my eyeshadow.
My goodness. It's
And my lips are just like not aligned. as
not.
well.
Then my lips and my eyes so poorly blended.
This is gonna be so funny to look at. I can't wait to edit
Oh
this
my
video.
God.
Like we did better than the first round. The 1st, I got my brows done.
You got your brows done?
I got my brows done. You can't tell. I got my brows done. That's what I was excited about, because in the first round I didn't get my brows done.
I did skin, lips, and like I was trying to do too much.
She was doing the most. She showed me what she was trying to do, and she was doing like the legit most. I was like, you do know this is a 5-minute makeup challenge, right? So we're gonna go wash this off. I hope you guys enjoy that video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Please, I need it.
What?
Let us know in the comments below who you think did a better job, her or me,
Oh.
because it is a makeup challenge.
True.
I mean, it's my video, so I feel like I did better. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
I I can see what you're saying from the eyebrows now. When I first looked at you, I can't, but like
They look darker.
Yeah.
Like low-key hurt that you didn't know they were there. Alright, so now let's do a little like photo shoot inside, like showing off our makeup. I have to put like a really good song to hype me up.
It's so funny because today I took out like the grease out of my face.
I love it.
My beauty blender.
It's right there. I did not sabotage. I swear. I swear. You did a pretty good job though. Without. Oh my god, the cats were there. I'm not gonna look. I'm not gonna look. I'm gonna turn away. Bye.